guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry if it takes so long for going on a video, but I have some more unboxing video. Just collect some packages. I hope you not hear me because the last time we get some proper cussing. So the previous video, my low in the previous video. Anyways, we could get in the video. We could pull it. So this is a neck phone holder. You know, I'm one of them, but too lazy for buy it. In an Amazon card from when, and then well, not the exact, like not like this. The other one when we did want, I did want magnet one, but this one I want to see how it work, so we can like give one of the content them more often, more more consistent. So this one, like, I'm gonna put it around my neck and put the phone, like, say for instance, one cooking video, so more do I have to use my tripod or whatever. This wouldn't just around my neck. We can use both my hands and do what I do while on see what I do. So yeah, this is the neck phone holder. So I'll unbox it. Let's see what it is. Oh, this are the thing there for the breast, like some breast cover thing if you're supposed to lift the breast. Just stick it to it. It's like a bra, like, but it's like a tape, some tape thingy thing, some tape thing. But me soon unbox them shown, but me just a pull them now and show them what me get in at it. Alright, so on to the next package. It's poor scissors can't manage this at all. Just struggle to pull it out of one box, and then here's another box. So we love the free stuff them from Amazon. The only thing is that we pay for shipping. We not pay for purchase them or anything. The only thing we pay for is shipping. So I forgot to buy a battery for this. This is a clock. I forgot to purchase battery for it. Well, I don't know if it comes with battery, but yeah, this is a clock. I'm well sealed this, because they don't want nothing to do it. Oh, and it glow in the dark. It's a glow in the dark type of clock. Come with a manual. Maybe want about 5 battery actually. 5 battery. I don't pronounce battery like that. It's not battery, it's battery. But yeah. Let's see if it comes with battery. What the hell is this for now? Same thing. I'm gonna purchase battery to see if it works. But here it is. Them say it glow in the dark. So later me see for myself. Alright. I don't know what this for, but it come inside it. Maybe it's well, I'm gonna read the manual when we finish. So I'm gonna move on to the another package. This package, I'm supposed to get a Christmas tree, like a countertop, like you can put it inside the kitchen on the countertop. It's a countertop Christmas tree and some napkins. Can't wait to set it up. Wow. Right in time for Christmas. Alright, so I opened it. These are the napkins, 100 pieces. I'll pull it because I want to feel the texture of it. Soft, feels soft. Them have other stuff where me can choose from, but I always choose some sensible stuff, like, you know, where they have use to me. Because honestly, sometimes them send me some nonsense. I'm like, no, I don't want this. Alright, so to our small tree be, this is the box it coming out. So we're gonna pull the box now and see what's inside. It says Forever Christmas. So we'll pull the box and see how the tree look and the decorations and all of that. Alright, this I give me hell now. See it look. Okay. Wait. Watch Christmas tree. As we say, it's a countertop Christmas tree and it's very, very small. Oh, so it come with lights and everything on it. It say it have a 6-hour timer. I guess it have one battery, so I have to buy a battery for this as well. But here it is. You know, countertop. I put it in no kitchen. I put it on my chest of jar, probably in a hall. I need one for star to put on the top. But I like it. It's actually cute. You know, it have a vibe. It's actually cute. I have to fix it up on. You know, if I want to put other little decorations on it and so, I'm gonna do that. But no, not right now. But I like it. It's actually cute. Not a big tree because Christmas is one day. One day. But I like it. I actually like it. I have to get some decoration to put on it to make it look more fuller, because it look kind of flimsy to me. What? Where look for me? One star for put right in the center, right up at the top. Come with light though. Check it out, battery. Needs 3 battery. But I'm gonna get the back of them and make them see how it look in the night. Because I don't need no light in the day. I already have daylight. But yeah, I like it. Actually like it. Kind of flimsy though, but you know, get some more decorations and put on it. You can see it come with 1 and 2 decoration on it and the lights and so. So I'm gonna get battery for it and yeah. Put this one side. Alright. This is the cover. I think they can fit me now because I press things. So inside it has a breast moisturizer spray cream. I'm not sure if I see it properly. Then it comes with instruction on how to apply it. Me, I figure with this because yeah, not gonna work for me at all. This not gonna work for me, so I'm gonna give it away. Come with 1 cup bag, so I'm gonna give these away, or better yet, me sell them. No, I just give them away. As then something here can't fit me. But yeah. This is what I've been waiting for. Right? Ow. So I unboxed the phone holder. The neck holder, I should say. Oops. Alright, so it comes with a belt. The belt is for, like, say you have it on your neck and let's say you have vlog, like you went on some ATV thing and you know the rider go bumpy, so the belt of like strap it down. Where you watch me for? The belt the belt of like strap it down on you so it's firm and it not move. But me I forgot to figure out how to set up this. So why not stay? Why it pulls so easy? Oh, okay. Oh, so you have this little button at the top for you pull it. And you hear that click that it closes properly. Hear that? Means it close. And then right now we use the belt right now. So this is supposed to go through this, and then now a clue what going yes. That's supposed to go through that. And then what? Oh. Alright, you know what? I'll look on the instructions because this stuff just look fun and feel out like that. Alright, so we set up the neck holder off camera. But here's the belt. Here's how it's supposed to look. Alright, let me flexible as well. See, can put it like, can tighten it to the level you want it for, you know, if you go. So I'm gonna make it stay like this, and then tighten it back. You can put the phone inside and record. Alright, so the belt now, the belt you put through these sides, here, here. Like if you just strap it down, hold it like, you know, if you just hold the thing from not moving. I'm not gonna use the belt right now, but I like this. I actually like, not even like, I love this. The magnetic one would have been better, but this can work with. I didn't spend a dime only to clear it, but it can work with. Yeah, that's all me get for now. I'm gonna take my do no more video, no more unboxing video until probably late next year or so, but that's all I got for now. So I'm show you how the tree look when it light up. So later I'm gonna show you how the tree look when it light up, and the clock, to see if it's actually glowing at the dark. And then yeah, so me soon later. Bye.